Hello everybody. So let me first walk you through the components of the project. This is an Arduino Uno. This right here is an RFID reader, and this is the door that we are going to open with the RFID reader. And let me just show you the RFID tags themselves. This is the RFID tag. The white one is also an RFID tag. This blue one is also an RFID tag. So basically, we are going to try and read the RFID cards, and if the IDs are authorized, we will be able to open that door automatically. So let me just move it closer. So let's go ahead and try. So with this blue RFID chip, we can just come right here and then try and read it. As you can see, the door has started opening automatically, and then after some time it starts closing. Yes, so as you can see, this blue light is to indicate that the RFID reader is active and is ready to read a certain tag. Then the green light is to indicate that the user has been granted access to open the door, and if the red LED blinks, it will mean that the user is unauthorized. So let's try again with as you can see, this specific card is not authorized to access that door. But if we try with this blue chip, we can come here, read it, it shows green, and the door starts opening, and then it will close. Yes, wonderful. So that is basically the idea of the project.